Dental implants can replace all of your teeth. For many, many years, it was all about doing all-on-4 cases, same-day teeth. This is all with standard implants. Those standard implants are very expensive, and replacing all your teeth with mini dental implants is half the cost of placing standard implants. For those of you who want to just already have dentures, we can replace it with a full set of teeth, or we can actually stabilize your denture so that it locks in place and doesn't move, and you can eat almost everything. But if you don't do the hybrid denture, the standardized denture, and we put a set of crowns in there to replace your teeth and even replace your gums, because it's all on the prosthesis we put in there, you can eat everything. And for everyone that I've done it for, they said it's as good or even better than their own natural teeth were. So if you'd like to come in and talk to me about it, it's a free consultation, and we do a free scan, and then we talk about your situation to solve your problem and make your life so much better.